Welcome back. Mrs. House is still in her house. And it's test day. Sorry I don't have any mints to hand out to you. That would be a little difficult. But be thinking about your mint while you test. So to find your test, we can go into the folder, the yellow folder for today. And then it's down into Friday, test day. If you didn't get a chance to do the other activities, yesterday I had a link and it had all the links to all the activities for this chapter so far that you need to do for the grade book. There are others that are in the other days that just aren't in the grade book. Okay, so today, here's where your video will be if you need to watch it again. It's test day. Guess what I put on? The breathing exercise is in 1 minute. So if you click on it, click on the link, guess what? She got a new cover on her page, but it's the same one. So you can breathe calmly before we take our test. Okay, so you guys can do that. And then it says, remember, you are the chemist. Okay, here's where your test is. I made it big font, so you just click there. Do this test by yourself. You only have one try. Try your hardest and use your notes. By your notes, if you recall that we had this one posted, okay, I will even actually make a link right here. I will link your notes to it. So that note will be very handy for you. Okay? Good luck. Let me know. Thank you for those of you all that came out to my Google Meet yesterday. It was super fun to see you. Say thank you. Have a nice day. We'll see you on Monday. Let me know if you have any questions though.